In this video guide, you'll learn how to initiate the reinstallation of the operating system in EasyDCIM in just a few moments. Let's begin with navigating to the dedicated server summary view. Now, proceed to the Device Details section. Here, you can check the most essential information about the operating system installation. Next, click on the Recently Installed Operating System to see the following options. The Reinstall OS function allows you to perform the installation of the operating system again. The Rescue Mode feature is responsible for switching a server to rescue mode. The Configuration tool enables you to adjust the network settings of the device. The Cancel Installation option is used to terminate the ongoing installation of the system. If you install the operating system on a given device with EasyDCIM for the first time, you need to adjust the network configuration for this device. To do so, choose Configuration from the drop-down menu. By default, each device uses the global settings of the installation extension for fields such as nameserver1, nameserver2, reboot method, or bootloader. All you need to do is specify the default gateway and subnet mask where the device is located. The installer automatically configures network interfaces according to these fields. If you use the IP address management extension, the default gateway and mask will be determined automatically based on the subnet assigned to the selected device. When the network configuration is finished, you can install the operating system. As previously mentioned, navigate to the OS section and choose Reinstall OS. In the displayed window, you need to provide the following details. In the OS template field, you have to select the template that will be used in the installation process. It can be either an operating system or a diagnostic tool. Hostname stands for the name of the operating system host. The username field is where you should enter the name of the standard operating system user. Password is simply a password of the standard operating system user, while the root password field is reserved for the password of the main user of the operating system. The installation will start right after clicking the Save Changes and Start Install button. The entire process is fully automatic, but the installation time may vary depending on the chosen template. You can easily track the progress using the Provisioning Log function. That's all. Once the installation has been completed, you'll be able to log in to the SSH server based on the details provided in the previous form. If you're eager to discover more about the OS installation extension, check out our previous videos. And find out more at EasyDCIM.com and arrange a live presentation to see how you can make the best use of EasyDCIM for your business.